Hey guys, welcome back to the start of a new vlog, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let's start the vlog. So today is a Sunday and I am preparing to go for my third day of gym. So yeah, I am going to go to gym right now. I need to start adding some beef ribs into a pressure cook, and I'm gonna leave them cooking for 45 to an hour. Yeah, 45 minutes to an hour. So it depends when I get back from gym, and then we can continue cooking. So I'm gonna cook brown rice, beef, short ribs, and spinach and pumpkin. So I don't have pumpkin. I have a little bit of spinach. I don't have pumpkin. I'm just gonna go to spa when I'm done with my exercises. I'm gonna go to spa and top up on the spinach and some pumpkin.
Izinyawo zami zithinta okungabonwayo, izwe lithule likhuluma naphakathi.
Just adding a little bit of
Lithi khumbula
I'm gonna put the stock,
izinkanyezi ziphala amagama
and we're gonna close this, and then when we come back we will do the
ezikhathini ezingakaze ziphele. Umoya wami uyazilenda, boba wade woba lapha ngaphambili. Ibizwa umhlaba womoya, lapho isikhathi singaphefumuli, lapho imiphefumulo ikhanya khona, njengomlilo ungashisi. Ibizwa umhlaba womoya.
Oh bandla are mara why re retsa gym ka sonta mara anyway, because nna ha ke gymming ka manta. So Monday I go for my Thai massage to relax my body, and then the rest is history, and then we start a new day on Tuesday. So yeah guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So I found this protein bar from Checkers, ne? I get to get brand young Miam or Miam, I don't know. It's sugar free. It carries like 15 grams of protein. Oh guys, sugar the protein. Yes, it carries 15 grams of protein, this whole thing. Already after this, I'm like halfway to my protein intake for the day. This thing is exhausting, ne? I don't know, am I the only one who feels like this counting protein and just being aware of what you eat? It's just exhausting. I don't know how people excel in this thing. I know Simone is one of the people that count calories, everything, like everything, and then she's doing so good. I wish Ngebekina that discipline like hers, but I am learning because I have realized that my body needs a lot of protein, and then if I do not pay attention on things that I eat, I'll just eat blindly on things that do not actually benefit me. So yeah, let's go to gym. The pothole guys, they close them. I was actually sharing the story, the pothole, last week on Thursday, I think, after work, right? I'm finding those municipality people closing potholes. Hey, that's not enough. You need to put everything and patch these things. Guys, I don't like chocolate, and then all these things, they are full of chocolates. It's not gonna be enough. Can you believe? And then the following day there it rained. Back to square one. This actually tastes like bawan. It tastes like bawan. But I don't like chocolate. Whenever I start eating chocolate, my body, hi. It's like bawan, but it's fluffy inside. Inside it's like marshmallow melted in there. Oh, but it tastes nice. So the chocolate is not my thing. I just sort of expected it by regang, and it's a chocolate thing. Maybe I'll get used to it. Maybe because I'm thinking of my teeth. You know, old age and sugar. Well, not old age. Getting wiser and sugar lately, they do not mix. But then this is like artificial sweetener, because it says it has 0 sugar, but I can feel the sweetness. So I believe they used artificial sweetener, abos steva, or what do they call it? Yeah, hey, Jimmy. I pray I finish this, because that will help with my protein intake. 15 grams, it's a lot. And then anyway, I'm gonna eat beef today. Rest chicken, rest. Lungu guy atokin naki ma chicken. And rat, I know I'm going now. Some pizza ma chicken. You guys go to church? Did you cook before church? How does your Sunday routine look like? Especially for those who are going to church. Guys, I'm telling you, people here don't have a life. Their life revolves go gymming.
Please bring your mobile phone with you.
Otherwise, why holy peg to Mondlemo? Ay bong kanjan ka sonta. So Renotwana, wait to get Renotwana, go to fitness, get everyone. Get everyone. Please guys, do not skip it. We watch the video until the end, and we share the channel with our friends and family. So yeah guys, let's go work out.